Ready?
Yes, I think so.
Welcome to Phanganist.com. Today we have the lovely Einav with us, and some of you may know her as the co-owner of Green Gallery Restaurant. Been on the island for 6 years. How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
Yeah. And Einav's come to talk to us about her Koh Phangan vegan cooking school. Yeah. So first of all, let's find out, how did you actually learn how to cook vegan food?
I've been cooking since childhood and loving food as much as I do. When I became vegan, I didn't want to give up on my old recipes and old flavors. So slowly I started to discover a world of new ingredients and new flavors and textures. And in an attempt to turn my old recipes to veganize them, I started to experiment with different ingredients and different combinations and variety of flavors. And slowly I built new recipes and discovered a very world of creation. That's how I learned to cook vegan on my own.
I find that a lot of people who are vegan or vegetarian actually is a way to connect you with your food a lot. Do you find? And to help you learn how to cook as well.
Yes, I mean, I believe that food in general brings people together.
Yeah.
And I think that veganism is where the world is going to. I really strongly believe that. And so helping people to find the way to veganism is what motivates me to do that cooking school, basically. Yeah.
And what are the motives behind the course for the people that you're teaching?
Yeah, well, it started from my own personal journey of turning my lifestyle into vegan lifestyle. Sometimes in the beginning I found it a little bit hard. I didn't know how to replace my old recipes and what to do with those new ingredients that I found. So what I want to do is to help people with the transition to vegan lifestyle, and also break the stigma that healthy equals not tasty, you know, because it's not true. You can maintain healthy and enjoy very, very tasty food. Yeah.
Amazing. And what kind of style of food do you teach?
Well, I teach things that are common with different kitchen and all around the world. Things like breakfast and cheeses, things that everybody eat. So I focus on that, but I also teach a lot of Middle Eastern and Israeli food, which is where I come from. But also fusion and food from all over the world. Yeah.
Very nice. And what can people learn from your course? Can they learn about the sort of nutrition aspects as well?
Of course, yes. I talk a lot about nutrition, about food combination, and I also give tools on how to develop the skills of creativity in the kitchen, so they can learn how to be creative and create recipes from their own unique imagination. So when you open your fridge, instead of seeing just the vegetables and some nuts and grains, and close the fridge and go back, you can actually see different 3 types of recipes that you can create on your own.
Amazing. So how can people get in touch with you if they want to come and do one of your cooking courses?
There are a few ways. Right now, our official Facebook page is the Koh Phangan Cooking School, Vegan Cooking School. Can also reach us through the Green Gallery Koh Phangan page on Facebook. And another way is through Lost Paradise website and Facebook page, which is where one of the courses are going to take place. So Koh Phangan Vegan Cooking School, Green Gallery, and Lost Paradise.
Okay. And any message for the Koh Phangan people? Einav?
keep healthy and go vegan.
There you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you.